First 5 on Perpetual. First 5 on GRU. It's Montoya. Garcia. Ilarca. First 5 on Perpetual. And we are live on the Facebook page of Pascal Polista. It's GRU versus Perpetual, our first game. NCAA. First position of GRU. Montoya. Nice pass outside. Garcia. Basket count and 1 on Garcia. Foul on number 8. 28. On Tabanao. First team foul against Perpetual. 3-0. Now Deng. Back to Deng. 40 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On 5, 3-all. What a game. It's GRU versus Perpetual. Primo. Steal. Oh, Garcia. Black by Pinitante. Pilarca. 14 to shoot. Montoya, favorite shot, short. Rebound on Deng. Deng.
Kaya Deng.
Now Deng, drive. Deng goes to toes again to stroke Penetrante. Penetrante paint, block. Steal on Montoya. Now Primo. Too strong. Foul. Foul on number 9. 29 on Primo. First on Primo. First team foul, GRU. Now Deng. Forty to steal by Garcia.
Kunin nyo na.
Garcia pass to, oh, what a shot now, 5 against 3. 2-point lead on GRU.
Number 3, Wesley.
Ang Penetrante. Side step, crossover, foul. All on number 9 on Garcia.
Kila, number 9.
First on Garcia, second team foul, GRU. It's 3 against 5. 2-point lead on GRU.
Nakalipat na ako, hindi na ako.
Wesley, number 3.
Shut out. Eight minutes scores, 8 minutes, 5 against 3.
Penetrante.
In and out. Rebound on Primo.
Aras nyo na, aras.
Pilarca, favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia, 14 na set shot clock. To Pilarca. Nice pass to Primo. Take to shoot. Montoya. Too strong. Tap. Rebound on Pilarca. Garcia. Block by Penetrante. It's 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot.
Montoya.
Montoya. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Montoya. Now 3 to 8. Deng. Penetrante. Big right. Penetrante. Basket count and 1 on Penetrante. Foul on number 28 on Primo.
First on Primo.
Second on Primo. 30 foul, GRU.
8-5.
Now 6 to 8, it's 2-point lead on GRU. Now Wesley. Back to Wesley. Pass outside. Nanter Montoya. Looking for Garcia. Garcia. 14 to shoot. Back to
Lapit.
Wesley. 10 to shoot. Too strong.
Hey, dalawa.
Now Deng. On one to Gapak. All the way. Gapak too strong. Deng again. Short. Rebound on Wesley. Steve. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 24 seconds sa shot clock. Now Montoya. Looking for Primo.
Primo.
Too strong.
Atin!
40 seconds sa clock. 14. Now Montoya. 10 to shoot. Still by Gapak.
Kaya!
Gapak, it's 3 on 2. Gapak, side step. Gapak!
Aywa.
In and out. Montoya. To Primo.
Balik!
Wow. Turnover again. On GRU. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 8 against 6. 2-point lead on GRU. Penetrante, guarded by Garcia. Rebound by Primo. To Montoya. It's 2 on 1, 3 on 1. Montoya, jumper again, too strong. Rebound by 5. 5 to Deng. It's 3 on 3. Deng, drive, Deng. Ostokos, in and out. Pilarca. Montoya. Still. 5 minutes and 9 seconds.
Balik tayo.
Steeler score 8 against 6. 2-point lead on GRU. 5 minutes. Now Primo. Garcia. Too strong.
Bigay mo sa point guard. Kunin mo na.
Now Gapak. Guard by Montoya. To Deng. 2-5.
5. Bing bang.
Bang on 5. 8 all. First that leg of the game is 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Harap na.
Now Wesley. 14 to shoot. 14. Ten. Short.
Atin!
Now rebound on Gapak. Gapak drive. Gapak left-handed drive. Goes di ba may 5-5. Back to Penetrante. Penetrante. Foul.
Counter. Montoya.
Foul on number 10 on Montoya. Warning for penalty on GRU. First personal foul against Montoya.
Warning foul.
Now 1-point lead on Perpetual. It's 9 against 8.
Aywa. Aywa.
Yes, on Penetrante.
11.
11-8. So, 3-point lead now against Perpetual.
Tingnan nyo, Garcia. Tingnan nyo, Garcia.
Montoya, favorite shot. Too strong, short. Rebound on Penetrante.
Foul, foul.
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 Oh, troubling violation, troubling. It's 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Cutter!
Oh! Basket count and one again by Garcia.
Walang gumagawa, oh.
Who's for that?
5.
Foul on Penetrante. Second team foul on Perpetual. First personal foul against Penetrante. Now 11 all.
Mantayan nyo na.
It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tira, pre.
Steal again by Garcia. Garcia, back to Wesley Garcia. Lalo, too strong stop by Deng. Montoya. Montoya. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Deng.
Taas lang kamay.
First on Deng. 13 foul on Perpetual. Now 1 point lead on GRU. It's 12 against 11. It's 3 minutes and 19 seconds.
Box
Oh,
out.
Garcia again. Block. Penetrante. Foul.
Nice one, nice one.
Foul on Montoya. Penalty ref, penalty.
Pre, palit kayo ni Gino.
Second personal foul against Montoya.
Yun lang, ano, James.
12 all. This is our first game. It's Perpetual against GRU. Rebound on Primo. Wesley. Tap. Oh, turnover again on GRU in 3 minutes.
Tira.
Too strong. Rebound by Primo. Oh, Pilar ka?
Kunin mo na yan, ha, Garcia.
Montoya. Garcia. Fake. Drive. Block. Garcia again. Yes on Garcia. 14-12. It's 2-point lead GRU. Deng. Air ball. Pilar ka? Now, Pilar ka. Guarded by Gapak. To Wesley. 40 to shoot. Pilar ka. Primo. In and out. Tap. Now, Penetrante.
Dalawa kayo, pre.
It's 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Penetrante. Penetrante drive. Roll to rebound on Wesley. White ball. Time out. On JRU. Richard. May dalawa dito. Doon sila mabing sa taas ata.
Ha?
Yung mabing sa taas.
Mabi? Ayaw, ayaw mo. Papabayin daw siya. Mamaya nga, ikaw nga umawak. Eh, wala pang jersey si ano ah.
Sino yan? Tapos lang kung bayad siya sa kunin yan.
Hindi siya makakapag. Huwag mo na padali.
Saan?
Sabi ko wala ka muna jersey.
Hindi, lalaro siya.
Oo, lang lang.
Sa jersey, ano?
Ha?
Pangit tingnan.
O, gamitin mo muna doon.
Buglas
Ito na lang kaya.
Yan yan.
Kasi si Arang.
Oh, sige. Hindi siya rin sa taas ah.
Ha?
Nandun.
Babi, so bababa daw siya.
RR na siya sa taas ah.
RR?
Oo.
Ay, ito nga gamitin mo. Baka bumaba si RR eh.
1 minute and 52 seconds. It's 14 na set sa clock 14. Now, JRU and penalty. Inbounding 5. Tudeng. 5. Air ball. Foul. Foul on number 24. Ron Pilar ka?
Pilar first.
Now 13-14. It's 1 point lead on JRU. Now 14 all. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Now Pilar ka? Montoya. Back to Wesley. Back Primo. Garcia now. Attack again. Black by Pinitante.
Takbo, takbo!
Now 5. Deng. Whoa! On 8 ball win. Now 16-14 for 2 point lead on Perpetual. Garcia. Fake. Nice defense. Now Tabanaw. Gapak.
Likod, likod, likod. Tabi mo.
Back to steal again. Pinitante. It's a ball. 59 seconds, 59. 17 to shoot. Gapak. 55 seconds, 14 to shoot. It's JRU ball. 49 seconds. Now Wesley. Kanimedeng. Garcia. Montoya.
Defense lang, defense!
40 to shoot. Wesley. Primo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Primo.
Last shot! Last shot!
Hey, babalik ko sa atin yan.
20 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Balik mo muna, balik mo muna.
Gapak. 10 to shoot. Short. 10 seconds.
Sa dalawa.
Up.
Nice ball, nice ball! Eh, balik na kayo.
Foul on number 21 on Gapak. Warning for penalty on Perpetual. First personal foul against Gapak. It's 6 seconds. 17 against 16. 1 point lead on JRU. It's 18 against 16.
Box out, box out.
6 seconds.
Uy! Uy!
Foul again on number 21 on Gapak. And now for first quarter, 2 free throw shots by Garcia.
Dapat second one.
Second personal foul against Gapak. And now for first quarter, our score is 18 against 16. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Naambun ka daw kanina umaga.
Ulan.
Sa Kwan LA, may naulan.
It's Perpetual ball, Perpetual. And we are live on the Facebook page ang Basketballista. This is our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. It's Perpetual versus JRU. Too strong by Lapiceros. Now De La Cruz. Favorite shot. Too strong. Top. By Hermoso. Now Lapiceros. Looking for Hermoso.
Hermoso.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Hermoso! 1918. 1 point lead now. Perpetual. Alak. Esquivel. Back to Alak. Fake. Drive. Crooks. Damn! One move by Crooks. Now 2019. Lapiceros. Again too strong. Rebound on De La Cruz. De La Cruz looking for Alak. Alak. Still by Seba. Still again by Alak. Now Alak. Drive. It's 3-2. Alak escape. Looking for Crooks. Crooks! Now 22-19. 3-point lead on JRU. It's a 4-0 run against JRU. Hermoso. Pass to Kilab. Kilab. Now the ball game. Now he's still again by Alak. Alak. Senegal is back. Alak. Yes, now 24 against 19. It's 5-point lead on JRU. Lapiceros. Kilab. Hermoso. Pass to Seba. Top. Rebound on De La Cruz. It's JRU ball. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 24 against 19. Now Alak. Looking for still by Kilab. So Lapiceros. Lapiceros looking for Kilab. Nice defense on De La Cruz. Now 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Still 5-point lead on JRU. It's Alak guarded by Lapiceros. 1-1 to Esquivel. Esquivel now looking for Alak. 14 to shoot. Rivera. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz, first team foul. JRU. Now Hermoso. Rivera. Oh, defense by De La Cruz. 3-second violation on Rivera. It's 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Second quarter. Richard.
De La Cruz.
Lapiceros. Brad Lapiceros. It's 21 to 24. Esquivel. Yes, and Esquivel. 26 against the 21. It's 5-point lead on JRU. Hermoso. Tap out. Rocks rebound to Alak. It's 4-2. Alak. Nice pass outside. Yes. Now 28 to 21. It's 7-point lead now. JRU. And we're live on the Facebook page. Wow. Troubling violation. Troubling violation on Rivera.
Ya Allah.
Now Alak. Looking for Esquivel. Esquivel. Too strong. Rebound on Kilab. To Rivera. Rivera now. Pass outside. Lapiceros. Out. Too strong. Kilab. To Gen. Short. Top. Rivera. In and out. Kilab again. Kilab back. Oh, too strong. Tama Kilab. Now Rivera.
Ya Allah.
Short. Lapiceros. Kilab. Wow! In and out! Now Crooks. To Escobar, too strong. Now Rivera. Rivera. Oh, foul.
30.
Foul on number 30 on De La Cruz. Second team foul on JRU.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Time out on Perpetual. It's 28 against 21. All by JRU. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. It's Colors Sports. Basketballista.
Cherry.
Cherry? Hindi ako makain yan.
28 against 21. It's second team foul on De La Cruz. Second on JRU. Inbounding na Paseros. Kilaw.
Kilabo.
Bang! On Kilaw. 23 to 28. 5-point lead now on JRU. Alak. Guarded by Hermoso. 10 to shoot.
Lapit!
De La Cruz. Lapiceros. Guarded by De La Cruz. Hermoso.
Moso.
Short. Top. Alak now to Crooks. All alone by Crooks. Now 13 to 23. It's 7-point lead on JRU. Lapiceros. Rivera. Short. Rebound by Esquivel. Crooks. Now Alak. Too strong. Lapiceros. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Lapiceros to Kilab. Kilab to Kilab. Foul. Foul on number 42. 92 on Esquivel. First on Esquivel. 13 foul JRU. Now 24 to 30. It's 6-point lead on JRU. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. This is our first game. Our first match. Now 25 to 30. 5-point lead on JRU. Alak, guarded by Hermoso. Still by Hermoso. Hermoso called away. Hermoso 27 against 30. 3-point lead now, JRU. Alak. 14 to shoot, 14. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Alak inbounding. Looking for De La Cruz. Short. Seba. It's Perpetual ball. White ball. White.
Ma'am, wag ka po muna bumabas. Wala nila kanina. Second quarter
Ha? Ang second quarters kanila?
Wala nila kanina.
Right? Blue ball. Blue ball. JRU ball. JRU. It's Perpetual ball. Perpetual. JRU ball. Now Crooks. Alak. Again, still by Perpetual. It's 3-2. Still by De La Cruz. Now Alak. Still again by Seba. To the Lapiceros. Kilab. Yes, and Kilab. Now 29 to 30. 1-point lead on JRU. Now Esquivel. De La Cruz. Nice pick. De La Cruz, side step. Again, short. Iba Aguilam. To Lapiceros. Rivera. Out, too strong. Rebound by Esquivel. Now Escobel to nice stop. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Time out against JRU. And our official referee for today is referee Apasan and referee Manuel. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This first game, Perpetual versus JRU.
Tingin!
Steal by Lapiceros. Hermoso. All alone, nice Hermoso. 31 to 30. It's 1 point lead now on Perpetual. Again, he's still on Lapiceros. Lapiceros up, looking for Kilab. Yes, on Kilab. It's 33 against 30. Warning on Perpetual for delay the game. 1 minute and 35 seconds, 33 to 30. Alak. Cardiff Hermoso. Alak, 1 and 1.
Ako na!
Again, still by Lapiceros. Lapiceros, right. Lapiceros, pass to Rivera. Cardiff by De La Cruz. Yes, on Rivera. Now 35 to 33. 30. It's 5 point lead now. Perpetual. De La Cruz. Nice move by De La Cruz. Wow.
Nice foul.
Foul on number 6 on Seba. First on Seba.
Nice lang.
First thing foul. Perpetual. 2 free throw shot coming from De La Cruz. Short. 1 minute.
Box.
Now 31 to 35. It's 4 point lead on Perpetual.
Again.
Now Hermoso. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Kilab.
Bang! On Kilam. 35 seconds. 37-31. Alak.
Sige, dalawa kayo.
Crooks. 14 to shoot. Bang! On Crooks.
Last shot.
20 seconds.
Last shot.
15.
Good tayo. Simple.
13 to shoot. 13 seconds. 13. Now shot clock. 13 seconds. Gilab. 5 seconds. And now for second quarter, our score. It's 37 against the 33. It's 4 point lead now on Perpetual. Third quarter, ready, third quarter. It's Perpetual ball, Perpetual. White ball, white.
Hoy, bagsak ko lang, malalaki yan. Lau, ikaw bala.
Bounding Lau. Tudeng.
5 minutes na lang, pwede na mag-top.
Tudeng. 5. Dapat.
Balik.
Back to 5. 14 to shoot. Gapak, 10 to shoot.
Nice one, counted.
Basket count and 1 on Gapak. Foul on number 44 on Pilarca. Second personal foul on Pilarca. First on JRU. Rebound on Pilarca.
Eh, balik na.
To Montoya. Too strong. Anderson. 14 set shot clock. Back to Wesley. Montoya again. Again in and out. Rebound on Penetrante. Penetrante. In and out. Rebound by Lau. Top. To 5. Pass to Penetrante. Short. Rebound on Montoya. Montoya to Pilarca. Nice pass. Wow, Labarias. Now 35 to 39. It's 5-point lead, 4-point lead on Perpetual. 5. Short. Labarias. Top. It's blue ball. RGRU ball. JRU. It's 39 against the 35. 4-point lead on Perpetual. Now Montoya. Wesley. Looking for Anderson. Anderson, fake, drive. Anderson. Looking for Pilarca. 10 to shoot.
Huwag mo iwan yan, shooter yan.
Again, in and out. Rebound by 5. Now, 5 now. 5. Drive. Pass to Gapak. Back to 5. 5. Bang! On the veteran 5. 41. Against the 35. 6-point lead on JRU. 8 minutes. Labarias. Oh! Too strong by Labarias. Rebound by Gapak. Now Deng.
Tatlo.
Short. Rebound on Gapak. Gapak again. Pass to Benante.
Pasok.
Bang! Bang on Penetrante. 44 to 35. 9-point lead on Perpetual. It's 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Montoya. Bang! On Montoya. 44 to 38. Back to 6-point lead on Perpetual. Lau. Back to Gapak. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Wesley. First on Wesley. Second team foul, JRU. Bowling Lau to Deng. Rebound by Pilarca. Now Pilarca to Wesley. Drive Wesley. It's 14 to 44. 4-point lead now, Perpetual. Lau to 5. Short. Rebound by Labarias.
Balik. Deng, balik.
Labarias to Anderson. Anderson now. Anderson. First basket for Santel. Too strong. Rebound top. Rebound up. Loose ball by Jerry. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. It's 44 against 40. It's 4-point lead on Perpetual. Now Deng. Pass to Lau. 5. Hey. Bang! On 5. 46 to 40. Anderson to Labarias. Fake. Labarias. Steal. 13 to shoot. 13. Anderson. 10. Oh! Labarias. 42 to 46. Back to 4-point lead on Perpetual. Low.
Nice one.
Too strong. Rebound on Pilarca. Pilarca to Anderson. Anderson. Side step. Nice defense, foul.
Sige na, Max.
Wala pa 5 minutes. Foul on number 26. On Lau. First on Lau.
One game lang tayo.
First team foul on Perpetual. (46-42). It's 4-point lead.
Max out kayo.
Perpetual.
Ding, tulong sa rebound, Ding.
Now 43-46. 3-point lead on Perpetual. Deng. Dulaw. Gapak. 14 to shoot. 3-second violation. Substitution net. Pwede na mag-sub tayo. Pwede na mag-sub.
Sub. Ding. Tapos,
Substitution sub. Now Garcia back in the ball game. Wesley. Anderson, fake, drive, pass downside, Primo. Whoa! In and out. Sir, upo tayo, sir. Isa lang dito, sir. Upo tayo.
labas na. Upo kayo, oy. Upo kayo.
Now, Lau. Rivera. In and out. Tap. Rivera again. It's JRU ball. JRU. It's 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 46. Against to 43. It's only 3-point lead by Perpetual. Primo.
Reserve timeout, sir, ha?
Anderson, no! Time out! On Perpetual. It's 46 against to 43. All by Perpetual. It's Perpetual ball. Perpetual. Lapiceros. Tap! It's steal by Garcia. It's 3-on-2. Garcia. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Goal, Anderson. It's 46 all. Now Hermoso. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Labarias. 13 foul on JIU. First on Labarias. Short. Tap. Rebound by De La Cruz. Short again. 14 shot clock. 14. Hermoso. Rivera. 3-second violation. 3-second violation on Hermoso. It's 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
Relax lang. Pakiramdaman ko sa sarili nyo kung sino.
Now Anderson.
Huwag kayo mangitlog sa loob.
Garcia. 14 to shoot. 10. Still by Rivera. Lapiceros. Lapiceros again. In and out. Lapiceros. Fourth foul.
Dong, shoot! Huwag ka na mag-shooting.
Foul on Anderson. Warning for penalty on JIU.
Mag-shoot time pa ang puta. Dong, isure natin yan. Ay, tayo dyan.
Rivera. Yes on Rivera. 48 to 46. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Anderson. Lamarias, 14 to shoot. 10.
Garcia. Anderson. Bang!
Hermoso. De la Cruz. Fake. Short. It's white ball. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 48 against the 46. Hermoso. 14 to shoot.
Pasa.
10. 2 minutes.
La. Dong.
Nakuhaan niya, nakuhaan. Yung video, yung kanina.
Oh, meron yan. Play ko yan.
Garcia.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Garcia! 49 to 48, 1 point lead now. On
Bigay na.
CIU! Lapiceros. Too strong. Labarias. To Anderson. Stop, pick. Too strong. Foul.
Number 9, foul.
Foul on number 9 on Garcia. Penalty na, penalty.
Second.
Substitution.
One in ten.
Second personal foul on number 9 on Garcia. It's 1 minute and 36 seconds. 49 against the 48. 49 all. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Short. Rivera. Top. Rivera, 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz.
Saba kami, sir.
Sabi to send up, sub.
Tabanaw.
Tabanaw out.
Sige lang, Dart.
Third personal foul on number 30 on De La Cruz.
Nice play, nice play.
Now 50 to 49. Back to 1 point lead on Perpetual. It's 1 minute and 23 seconds. Lapiceros again. Whoa! Lapiceros! 52 against the 49. Short, top. Labarias. Pilarca. To Anderson, 10 to shoot. Whoa! Primo! 50 seconds.
Relax lang, relax lang.
52 against the 51. Rivera, 10 to shoot. Traveling violation, 40 seconds, 40.
Rivera. Travel talaga yun.
De La Cruz,
Lapit yan, shooter yan.
30 seconds. Labarias, 25 seconds, 10 to shoot. Air ball, low.
Hoy, wag ka na mag-shoot.
Lapiceros.
Baka mag-shoot.
On Lapiceros,
Yun lang yan.
10 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 30. On second team foul on Perpetual. Second team foul.
Rivera.
Eh, wala shooter. Tignan yung shooter.
8 seconds.
Ay, putang ina. Wag na.
And now for third quarter, our score, it's 54 against the 51. 3-point lead on Perpetual. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's white ball, white. Hermoso. 5. Ilan? 56 to 51.
Kanya sa inyo.
Bola ka lang, sir. Bola nila yun eh.
Set count and 1 on perpetual. Foul on number 29. First team foul on JRU.
Third kayo sa inyo, knock-out kayo. Doon kayo knock-out, third quarter. Blue kanina, third quarter. Tama, kayo knock-out doon, third quarter. Tama, third quarter kayo.
Now 59 to 51. 8-point lead on perpetual. Now Garcia.
Galaw!
Montoya. Garcia.
Kayo!
Montoya. In and out. Tap. Rebound by Kilab. Montoya. Alak. Yes, on Alak. Now 53 to 59. 6-point lead perpetual. Hermoso. Still by Crocs. Penetrante. 5.
Kumpiyansa na.
Tie. Still again by Garcia. Foul. Foul on number 5 on 5. First on perpetual. First team foul on 5. 8 minutes and 44 seconds. Now Montoya.
Dalawa lang.
Alak. Back to Montoya. Garcia. Penetrante.
Batay, likod!
Foul. Foul on number 9 on Garcia. Second team foul on JRU. Third personal foul against Garcia. Eight minutes and 25 seconds. 59 against 53. Rebound. Seba. Penetrante. In and out. Seba again. Top. Garcia. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Kilab. Second team foul on perpetual. First on Kilab. 8 minutes and 9 seconds. Alak. Montoya, 14 to shoot. Yes, on Garcia. 55 to 59. Kapag substitution rep sa rep. It's only 4-point lead on perpetual. 59 to 55. Bounty Alak to Crocs. Back to Alak. Garcia. De La Cruz. Rebound by 5. Hermoso. Penetrante. Seba. Oh! Seba! 61-55. Back to 6-point lead. Perpetual. Montoya. Garcia. Foul. Foul on number 5, on Hermoso. 35 on Hermoso. 13 foul on JRU. Sub, rep, sub, rep, sub. Now 56 to 61, 5-point lead only for Perpetual. $57 against the 61.
Apat na lang, apat.
10 to shoot.
Nice ka!
Rebound on Garcia. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. Sabrep, 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 sab. 61 to 60. 1-point lead now. On Perpetual.
Lateral.
Now, Kilab. Lapiceros. Tapay Rivera. Pinitante. Montoya. 4-2. Anderson again. Short. Lapiceros. To Kilab. Pinitante. Back to Kilab. Yes, on Kilab.
Balik.
63 to 60. Back to 3-point lead on Perpetual. Wesley. Air ball. Now, penetrante. Kilab, short. Substitution left, sub. Time out. On JRU. Five minutes and 21 seconds, 60 against the 63. Only 3-point lead on Perpetual. Now Wesley. Garcia, 14 to shoot. Foul. Three. Usman rep. Foul on number 9 on Kilab. Second on Kilab. Third on Perpetual.
Mahina lang. Mahina nila.
5 minutes.
Konting sense lang yan.
Now 61 against the 63. Garcia. Foul. Foul on 0-1 on Pinitante. Warning for penalty on Perpetual.
Philip 20 seconds.
Second personal foul on Penetrante. 4 minutes and 55 seconds, 63 against the 61. It's 2-point lead on Perpetual. Rivera. To Penetrante. Lapiceros. Gapak. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Wesley. Warning for penalty on JRU. Second personal foul on Wesley. 2 free throw shot. Coming from Gapak. 4 minutes and 42 seconds.
Ilan ang timeout sa fourth quarter? Dalawa? Pag 4
Basket shot, rep.
Timeout kami ha? Isa pa.
Isa na lang sa inyo, ha? Dalawa, isa na lang. Ang time ko kanina.
Nice one!
Whoa! Kilaw!
Ilan pa timeout namin? Dalawa.
Oh, ang time ko kanina, di ba? Di pa. Ang time sa kanina.
Oh, 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Ang time ko sa kanina.
12 to shoot! 12! Subdivision rep, sub! To shoot! Whoa! Wesley! 65-63, 2-point lead now. Perpetual. Ow! Killer! Foul. Foul on Rivera. Penalty rep, penalty.
Warning kayo. Penalty sila. Penalty kayo, so warning sila.
4 minutes.
Lastly.
Now 64-67. 3-point lead on Perpetual. Pinitante. Rivera. Now Lapiceros. Kilam. Bang on Kilam. 69-64. Back to 5-point lead on Perpetual. Pilarca. Wesley. Anderson, 10 to shoot. Five. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson. 69-67, 2-point lead on Perpetual. Kilam. To Lapiceros, 14 to shoot. Gapak. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Gapak. Foul on 3-0, baskets count. 72-67. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Free throw shot given by Garcia.
Rivera, nag-fall pa? Si Rivera? Second on Rivera.
Second personal foul against Rivera. It's 72-67.
Hey, take time. Sleep.
Now 68-72, 4-point lead on Perpetual. Now Lapiceros. Ilabagan! Bang! Kilaw! It's 74-68, back to 6-point lead on Perpetual. Now Wesley. Anderson.
Short.
Oh! Lapiceros! Go back! Yes, on! Gawa, time out! On JRU, it's 76-68, 8-point lead on Perpetual.
You will naman yung pansit. You will naman yung mamaya. Tatlong balik.
Wesley. Talang Piseros. Wow! De La Cruz! 17-26. Kabak. Rivera. Black! By Pilarca. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Sub.
21. Pwede pa tayo mo. Oo, sa pasa.
1 minute and 59 seconds.
1 minute.
Wesley.
Bang bang.
Yes on Wesley. Now 72. 76. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Backing violation, backing. It's a 4-point lead on Perpetual. 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Pasa. Oy, dalawa kayo dyan. Dito.
Balik mo, yan.
De La Cruz.
Wesley, kunin mo.
Anderson. In and out. De La Cruz. Short. 1 minute and 28 seconds. 14% shot clock. 14. Short. Lampisaros. Whoa! Lampisaros. Now Wesley. Garcia. Too strong, top. Lampisaros again. Foul.
Anderson.
Foul on Anderson. Penalty.
Second Anderson.
Second on Anderson.
Reserve kami time out ha.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Pasok mo lang isa. Pasok pa ka. Isa.
Only 6-point lead on Perpetual. It's 78 against 62. Sub.
Oh, sa gilid.
Bang bang.
Primo. Air ball, Lapiceros. Now kila, 45 seconds. Whoa! Penetrante.
Oh!
30 seconds, 30. Time out on Perpetual.
Si Richard, tsura nga mamaya kayo.
Seconds, 33. 25 seconds.
Pasok!
Foul. Foul on Anderson. Penalty rep, 22 seconds.
At the end of the game, ay, init na. Ulanan lang yan eh. Ulanan lang.
22 seconds, 22. Yes, on Rivera. 74-83. 5 seconds. Baskets count! On Gabak ng 86-74. Winner,